I thought I was running late. I'm like so early. I'm never early. So I'm bringing this 10.3 for Kelly to look at the chassis and do some stuff. Stay tuned for plans on that. But I brought other stuff that's going to be a little bit more capable for today. But since I'm early, I'm going to fire this up and get some shots of it somewhere other than the front of my house. And yeah, so then we'll connect with those guys when they get here. So this is a 10.3 builder's kit with this weird deal here. I scaled it down. I stretched it out to hit the wheelbase, but I had to make it skinny so it wasn't ridiculous. Otherwise, the body would be like out to here. So I used the 10.3 clipless body system stuff on this one. There's a channel on Facebook called Outdoor Auto. They restored one of these, resto modded it up on a off-road chassis. It's fantastic. So that's why I made this. Clipless for the win. Gotta get my lights plugged in. Running a 1300. I can jam a 2200 in here, but I'm saving that for my other stuff today. Not ideal, but the XT60 on the Hobby Wing 1800s actually fits an IC3. You hear that sound? That's the cryptids in the woods. So when they scream, you never yell, you don't holler back. It's not your mom. When you hear that, it's really not your mom. It may sound like it, but it's not. So don't answer. All right, let's do it. Dude, I'm going back to get my Crazy Shop Classic. Go.